Good morning children. This is our grammar video. Take your grammar book. First recall the previous class and homework ma. Previous class la we are learnt the sentences that homework page ma. You check it your answers. Declarative sentence. Aditya went to a department store. Interrogative, can I help you? Put the question mark. Exclamatory sentence, how lovely these shoes are. Put the exclamation mark. Imperative sentence, try them on. End of the period of full stop. Next, go to next page. Second topic, articles. See there, articles. There are two types of articles. Indefinitive article, definitive articles. Indefinitive articles a and an. Definitive articles the. We use a with singular nouns. We use a with singular nouns which begin with consonant letter. Okay, அதாவது ஆர்டிகல்ஸ்லாம் நவுனில் தான் என்னது சிங்குலர் நவுனில் தான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகும். ஓகே, அந்த நவுனுக்கு பிகெயின் வித் கான்சோனன்ட் சவுண்டு வந்தால் நம்ம என்ன ஆர்டிக்கல் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னா ஏ யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, கான்சோனண்ட்டை BCDFG and H. There are 21 consonant. Next we use an. How to use the an? With singular nouns. Same தான், இதுவும் singular noun தான், இதுவும் singular noun தான். Which begin with vowel sound. You know the vowels letter AEIOU. This letter begin noun. We use the an. Okay. For example, onion. Okay, so we use the an. Next, underground. We use the an. Take your book ma. Open the book page number 12. Complete the table with word that begin with a or an. See the insect. A butterfly here. See the consonant. Okay. Next an and. See the vowels letter. Begin the vowels letter. Bird. A crow. See the consonant. Crow. See there an eagle. Beginning the letter vowels letter. Okay. Eagle. Flower. A rose. Okay. See there consonant. See here an orchid. Okay. Next place. A school. Okay. Here what do you write it ma? Any place you write it. Okay. But beginning the letter for vowels letter. This also homework ma. You do it in your book. Next, tick the right option. Dash International Airport. See there beginning the vowels letter. So we put the tick an. Second one, dash adventure film. See there beginning the vowels letter. So you put the tick an. Dash expensive car. Same vowels letter. You put the tick. Fourth one, dash important letter. Beginning the letter for vowels letter. So you put the tick for an. Dash sad story. See the consonant letter. Beginning the consonant letter. So you put the tick for A. Sixth one, dash rainy day. This also consonant. So you put the tick for A. Seventh one, dash easy sum. See the vowels letter. So you put the tick an. Dash old house. Here also same. So you put the tick an. See the ninth one, internet cafe. Beginning the vowels letter. So you put the tick an. 10th one, dash healthy diet. See the consonant. So you put the tick A. Dash university student. Okay, A or an ma. See there, university, the sound as U, that is the consonant sound. Okay, so here put the A. See there example. University being the letter is the Waltz letter. Okay, U வந்து என்னது Waltz letter, but the sound is consonant sound. Okay, so we use the article A. Next, see there another example, underground. Here also being the first letter, Waltz letter. Okay, but the letter is the Waltz sound. U, A. So we use the an. ஓகே, இங்கே வந்து என்னது கான்சோனன்ட் சவுண்டு கேட்குது. ஸோ அதனால் நம்ம ஏ யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். இந்த அண்டர் கிரவுண்டில் வால்ஸில் சேம் தான், இங்கே யூ தான், இங்கே யூ தான். பட் வந்து சவுண்டை நம்ம பார்க்கணும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து வால் சவுண்ட் தான் கேட்குது. ஸோ வி யூஸ் த ஆன். ஓகேவா? see there another example, hover, hover. Here begin the letter for consonant. ஓகே, ஹைச் இதெல்லாம் என்னது ஹான்சோனட். பட் வந்து இந்த சவுண்டு என்ன சவுண்டு கேட்குதுன்னா வால் சவுண்டு கேட்குது. பட் ஹைச் இஸ் த சைலண்ட். ஹைச் லெட்டர் இஸ் த சைலண்ட். ஹியர் வேர்ட் சவுண்ட் இஸ் வால் சவுண்ட். ஸோ ஹியர் புட் த, ஸோ வி யூஸ் த ஆர்டிக்கல் an. ஓகே, hover. ஓகே, ஹச் இஸ் த சைலண்ட். ஸோ வி யூஸ் த an. See the university. Okay, so here put the tick A. Underground. Okay, so here put the an. European lady, E. Okay, so this also same ma. So here put the A. Here sound as consonant sound, so I put the A. Honest man. Honest man, H is the silent, O is vowel sound here, so you put the tick an. Dash heavy suitcase. Heavy. Okay, that is the consonant sound, consonant letter also, so you put the tick A. Dash is educated lady. E, that is the Waltz letter, B in the Waltz letter, so you put the tick an. See there, fill in the blanks with A or an. Okay, how do இதை வந்து எப்படி செஞ்சோமோ அதே மாதிரி தான் இதையும் செய்யணும். ஓகே, this one also homework for you. Here one and this one, here I did the homework. Okay, turn the page. Now we are going to learn the definitive article they. How to use the they, particular noun and unique, only one of its kind, and whole classes and books, newspaper, direction, and countries UK or USA, and then river, sea, ocean, group of Iceland, mountain, okay, monuments, building. Next is superlative adjectives, example for tallest, best. Next ordinal number, first, second, fifth, that also ordinal number. Next morning, evening. Next department, the army, the navy. Okay, we use the they. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. There is dash owl on dash roof of dash house. See there, begin the Waltz letter, so we use the an. The roof of the house. See the dash Pacific Ocean is dash biggest ocean in dash world. The Pacific Ocean, the biggest ocean in the world. That is the unique. Okay, here also two oceans, so you write the. Third one, dash architect is dash person who design buildings. See there, beginning the Waltz letter, so we use the an. Here mention the particular person, so we use the A. Fourth one, our sports day is on dash 3rd of November. This is the third, that is the ordinal number, so we use the. Fifth one, dash woodcutter uses dash axe to cut wood. Okay, here mention the woodcutter means only one woodcutter, so we use the A. And here also Waltz letter, so we use the an. Sixth one, Jonita plays that's the guitar, that is the instrument. Okay, so we use the they. the. Seventh one, dash apple dash day keeps the doctor away. See there, Waltz letter, so we use the an. Here mention the particular day, one day, so we use the a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eighth one, dash dog is dash intelligent animal. Dog. Okay, that is the particular. So a dog is here the Waltz letter. So an intelligent animal. Ninth one, look, there is dash man standing at dash door. Yeah, man standing at the door. What the time please? Sorry, I don't have dash watch. What's the time please? Sorry, I don't have a watch. Look, there is a dash dolphin. See there, consonant, so we use the a. In sea, that is the sea, so we use the. She went on holiday. Beginning the consonant, so we use the a, and to dash the USA, so we use the there. Okay, tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong sentences. My brother loves to play the cricket. My brother loves to play cricket. No, he there, so this is the wrong sentence. The India is a big country. Okay, India is a big country, so this is also wrong. I can speak the English. I can speak English. Here the என்ன சொல்லாது இங்கே வராது, so this is also wrong. He has breakfast at 7 a.m. Correct. So you put the tick. James goes to church on Sunday. Yes, correct. Have you seen a dolphin? Yes, correct. You put the tick. My uncle is manager of company. Okay, that is the wrong. Okay, he works in the army. Correct. My brother had ancient last week. Accident last week. உங்களோட பிரதருக்கு லாஸ்ட் வீக் வந்து என்னது ஆக்சிடெண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு, ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ராங். had accident last week. This is the last question in this exercise, so that is the correct, so you put the tick. Okay ma, I will meet next video. Thank you.